Hi there, I'm excited today because we've got an unboxing and everybody enjoys a good unboxing. So I'm going to bring it in. Here it is. It didn't come in a big brown box, so I wanted to keep it a bit of a secret, but it's this. This is the Viltrox 85mm f1.8 Z-Fit autofocus lens. If you're a Canon user, a Sony user, a Fuji X user, don't switch off, because this lens comes in all those fittings. Let you into a secret. I have always had a hankering for a reasonably wide aperture 85mm lens, but in all the years I've been doing photography I've never justified buying one. It's a funny word, isn't it, justified? If it was a lens I use day to day, I might go out and buy the Nikon one. The current price at Grays of Westminster, which is the cheapest on the market at the moment, this is as of the 17th of August 2022, for the Nikon 85mm f1.8 Z-mount lens, £789. And I just couldn't justify that for a lens I wasn't going to use regularly, so I thought I need an independent one. And I came across this company, Viltrox, and I read a few comments about it, and they were really favourable. And I mean really favourable. I'm going to give this lens a test, of course, and that'll be another video, but I thought we'd have a look at it today first. I had a look on Amazon for it. Nikon one's just short of £800. On Amazon, this, £394. That's half the price. And then I came across a company, UK based, genuine reseller, absolute legit, AVM Photo. This is their address here, their website. Do the same lens, £270. That's £124 cheaper than Amazon. That's a huge amount of money. So yeah, AVM Photo, thank you very much. I have ordered it. It arrived within a day. I was dead impressed. I think I ordered it one night, they posted it the next day, and it arrived the day after, which is really, really quick service. So we're going to unbox this. It comes in a very stylish is the new word for plain white, unmarked. It does have Viltrox on each end. Viltrox were founded in 2009 in China. So yes, it's Chinese, but what lenses aren't made in China or Taiwan or whatever anymore? It comes security sealed. So this is where you watch me slip my hands open and be very careful. Whoa, we're in. We're in. Tension's good, isn't it? Oh, there we have it. It comes with a whole load of goodies. Nikon would describe that as a lens case. It's a bag, no use to anyone. Instructions. Small card. Silica gel. And it's well packaged. It's nice and safely packaged. Very safely packaged. Oh, we'll get there in a minute. Here it is. It's a little bit wider, I understand, than the Nikon. Chunky little thing. It's got a beautiful look to it. Really, really lovely look to it. Nice centre pinch lens cap, which works well. Gorgeous, gorgeous front element. And it's got that really classy look. There you go. It's a really classy looking lens. I love it. Okay, so let's pop the lens onto the camera body. And one good thing about Viltrox is that they've incorporated a really little USB port on the back of the lens. So many, you pop it on the camera while I talk, so many independent lenses or independent lens manufacturers, when the camera maker brings out a new camera or they bring out new firmware, the lens and the camera stop talking to each other perfectly and the lens starts playing up a bit. Very often that can involve having to send the lens back to the manufacturer for them to modify it. Viltrox have sorted that by putting that USB socket in the back of the lens. Since they introduced this lens a couple of years ago, they've already updated the firmware twice. And it's just a constant rolling program, which is brilliant. It means every time that I change my camera or can change the firmware, I can just update the new firmware to the lens as well. Everyone should do it. It's fabulous. Okay, let's have a look. Supposedly fiddly lens hood. Straight on, no trouble. The focus ring, it's metal ribbed. There's no rubber on this. It feels so much more expensive than it actually is. It feels really quite classy. It's the images that will count. The ring turns so smoothly. Autofocus, beautifully quick. Yeah, works. Seems to work fine. I wouldn't say that was any slower than the existing Nikon Z lenses I have. Manual focus override. Yes, it is. Just grab hold of the ring, turn it, and manual focus will override it. Of course, you can set manual focus in the camera. The lens is not stabilised in any way, but providing you're using something like the Z6 or the Z7 or the Z9, there's in-body image stabilisation in those, so you get a stabilised lens. This, unlike the Nikon 1.8, which is weather sealed, this is not weather sealed. So if you go out in the rain, put a waterproof cover over it. This isn't a lens I'm going to be using a lot for landscape photography, so it's not a lens I'm going to be using in particularly inclement weather. So I was happy to accept that compromise. What I am getting is a 1.8 lens at a bargain price. I'm going to do a full test of it. We're going to see how it stacks up. I'm not going to compare it with any other lens because I don't have another lens that will compare with it really. But we'll try it out, see how sharp it is, and we'll report back. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you found it beneficial. And do take these guys, have a look at these guys' website, AVM Photo. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.